Hello everyone, this is Esther Hapamaluch with the book Worship Now, Here's How. Today we are going to learn how to play Break Every Chain. This is the intermediate level of how to find the chords and play the song. So for the intermediate level, we're going to use inversions. Okay. The first level, we use only root position chords because it's easier to find the root position chords with the thumb on the note that we're going towards, okay, on the chord name. So for the inversions, we still have the four chords: A minor, F major, C major, G major. But this time we're going to find them in a closer position so we don't have to jump around quite so much. So when we start with A minor, we're still going to start that one in root position, A, C, E. Then when we go to the F major chord, we can find the F major chord much easier by just playing A, C, F. So you see what I did there? All I did was move the top finger up one note. Now the fingers I'm using are slightly different. This is a standard piano fingering for this type of chord, which we call a first inversion chord. So, which is generally 1, 2, 5 instead of 1, 3, 5. Okay. If it's easier for you to just slide your fifth finger up and play it like that, you could do that as well. So we go from our A minor chord to F major. Then we're going to go to C major. Now there's two options here, but really the closest one would be to take the G, the thumb down to G, keep your third finger on the C, and then move your fifth finger down to E. Okay? So then we have G, C, E instead of C, E, G. So we've moved the G down lower now. So this one is called the second inversion chord. Okay? There is another option. We had ACE going to ACF. We could jump up to CEG if you wanted to, which would be the root position chord. But if you do GCE, it'll make it much easier to get to the G chord. Okay? So from the second inversion C chord to get to the G chord is very easy. All you have to do is slide down the top two fingers to G, B, D. Now in a song like this, it's perfectly acceptable to use the fingering 1, 2, 4, especially if you were just playing this chord here. But the standard fingering is 1, 3, 5 whenever you play a root position chord. So let's go over those again. We have A minor, root position A, C, E. We have F major, first inversion A, C, F. We have C major, second inversion G, C, E, and we have G major in root position, G, B, D. Okay? Now, just to make it a little bit more advanced for the intermediate student, the left hand now, instead of just playing a single note, the left hand can play an octave. Okay? So if we are, again, playing on the downbeat of each measure, or that would be at the beginning of each chord, we're going to play two A's, and we're going to go down, play two F's, we're going to jump up, play two C's, and then jump down again, play two G's. And that's going to make it sound full. Now, in addition to that, the left hand could also start adding a rhythm. But let's try it once without a rhythm first. Okay? So the left hand is simply going to play on the first beat and hold, and the right hand's going to play two beats of each chord. So it will sound something like this. Now, if you wanted to make it really interesting, the left hand could start adding a rhythm. So there's many things you could do. One rhythm that I think is really convenient to do and sounds nice at the beginning is to do a dotted quarter eighth rhythm. So that would sound like this: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Okay, and then when you put the two together, it would sound like this: 1. And again, you always want to end on the first chord, which is your tonic chord, your home note. And that's where you want to end your song, no matter how you do it. And now I'm going to play and sing so you can see how it would all sound together. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, 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 break every chain. For more information on how to play inversions and root position triads, be sure to watch my videos on those. Also, if you don't know how to find the notes on the keyboard, be sure to watch my video on how to find the notes on the keyboard. Thank you very much. If you like it, please subscribe.